Good morning, MyHeaven YouTube family. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. My name is Dennis Sky, and today I'll be taking a look at this giant model house, 3-story model house by American West Homes. It has 5 bedrooms. It's 4,154 square feet. Giant house. Has a 3-car garage and a game room. Beautiful steps. This house starting price is $417,000. It's one of my favorite homes, honestly, because it's 3 stories and you can see there's a staircase. So we go on the first floor. First floor, you have this like giant room basically, which could be an office and a gym, like a home gym. And you also get a bedroom downstairs. Very nice. Very large house. All the rooms are big. Kitchen is big. So this is the backyard of the model. I actually just spoke to a family that bought this house, like ordered a brand new one. And it's being built, so they're like in love. They keep coming back, checking out the model. Can't wait, waiting for their home to be finished. Got a closet here. Shower. 2 sinks. Very nice. Yes, the downstairs is really nice. I would personally have a home office here and like a home gym and have a guest room, you know, at the same time. So that's how nice it is. You can see the backyard from this side as well. These actually come in pretty big lots as well, so you get a decent amount of backyard space. So here's the 3-car garage. It's locked. There's a little storage area right here. Let's see. Yeah, it's a little storage. Over here you have a place to hang your bags, put your shoes. Alright, let's go to the first floor. Check out the kitchen, dining, TV area. Whoa. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Let's see. Check out this space right here. You come in. Whoa. Let's see. Look how big the space is. It's crazy. It's a giant great room. And you have another great room over here connected to the kitchen. It's amazing. Alright. I love that they do this like double 2 fridges side by side next to each other. Very useful when you have a big family, especially a 5-bedroom house. You can see the refrigerator. Very nice. You have this giant window in your kitchen next to the stove. Sink. It's granite countertops. I love how you can use this as a dining area at the same time. Right here they have 6 chairs all the way around, so very large island basically. It's very, very practical, very useful. You have kitchen cabinets that go all the way to the ceiling. One thing about this builder, American West Homes, is they put 8-foot ceilings on the first floor and 3rd floor, and then 2nd floor is 9 foot. Let me show you this great room right here. Beautiful fireplace. Bolted ceilings. Very nice. And you have a patio here. Not sure if I can actually, oh, here I can open it. giant, basically balcony of the second floor. Let's get the view of the. There's going to be a lot more homes built right here, with a lot more 3-story homes built next to this model. You can see it's really beautiful. They were telling me that all of these lots sold, and it's going to be these 3-story homes built basically like right across the street right here. The HOA is only $14 a month. It's very, very low, but you don't get anything. There's no, there's no community. There's no, it's not gated. There's no pool, no amenities. Just basically have a house by itself. But if you don't like paying HOA fee, that's perfect because it's very, very affordable. $14 a month. It's only it's less than $200 a year, basically. So you have laundry off of the second floor, off of the kitchen. And get a sink. Nice washer and dryer. Nice to have a laundry sink. Let's check the third bathroom. Okay. So you got half a bath basically here. It's nice. Alright. Let's go to the third floor. So there's 4 bedrooms on the third floor. One thing I love about this house too is that you can actually put an office here on the staircase. So you can have basically another space to either have kids playing here or just desk with your computer. Plenty of space. And you get a giant window. Okay. Let's turn this way. Alright, so here's the staircase. Let's go to the master bedroom. There's also a window here, so you can see out off of your staircase. It's really nice. I love this model home. Actually, I was considering buying one of these last year. These homes 5 years ago were selling for $310,000. 5 or 6 years ago. Now it's $415,000 starting price. So the price has increased by $100,000 basically, at least in the last 5 years. It's still a great value because it's basically they're basically asking $100 a square foot because it's 4,115 square feet, I think. So, and a starting price $415,000. So it's really good value. $100 a square foot is amazing. If you're in California, let's say, like in SoCal, you're paying $400, $500, $600 a square foot for like a really old house usually. It's nowhere near as nice as this. So you have a tub here. Nice mirror. Let's see. Shower here. Here's the closet. Closet is a good size too. Really nice. One thing is this toilet, it's like impossible to get in because the door, there's so little space between the door and the actual toilet that there could be a problem. It's one thing that I don't like about this particular house is the way this master toilet is made. It's really tight. So there's 3 more bedrooms over here. 2 on this side. This is an optional bathroom. So you can either have a bathroom here or just have open space. It might actually be better to have open space, honestly, so it'll feel more spacious. Because probably a bathroom is like at least, anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 extra, just to add it. Okay, so here's one of the bedrooms. So 8-foot ceilings in here. Nice. Closet. Let's take a look at the other bedroom. Wow. Nice. Yeah, see, this is a giant room. Even with bunk beds and a dresser, you still have a lot of space, a lot of free space. So you can easily put like a couple of desks in here. See out so many cars. Yeah, American West Homes, you know, one of my favorite builders because they specialize in this 3-story homes. I love 3-story homes. Okay, so here's the closet. Very nice. Okay, so let's go see the last bedroom. There's actually a little storage here. Yeah, there's another storage area. Nice. So there's a bathroom in the bedroom, so this is the last bedroom. So this is the 5th bedroom, or the 4th bedroom upstairs. Because there's one bedroom on the 1st floor. You can see out. It's a huge empty piece of land, probably also homes built out in the future. Very nice. Another closet. And the last thing we can see in this house is the bathroom here. So this bathroom is not optional, it's actually included. Very nice. Oh, sorry guys, I lost the camera there for a second. There's a tub. Nice toilet. You get 2 sinks in here as well. Very nice. Okay, so that's pretty much the whole house. Yes. Okay, so let's go downstairs one more time. So yeah, you can see how much space you have here. It's plenty of space to have an office. So you can have 4 bedrooms upstairs plus an office in between the staircases. So so much space. It's beautiful. Yeah, very spacious house. Like I said, you get so much for your money. I mean, $100 a square foot. I mean, it's amazing value. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Please leave a comment. Please share the video. Have a blessed day. Thank you.